It is in a big cloud of feathers behind me. Rest in peace, little seagull. Wow.
What?
Wow. Use a left turn lane to go round the roundabout. I didn't swear.
Do you know what I think?
I didn't swear.
No,
I didn't swear.
No, I know that, but I think she actually indicated right at first. But before that, she was in the wrong lane. Does that make sense? And then she turned it off and then went on.
Whatever.
I think.
It was a stupid thing to do.
Yes, it was.
Uh-oh. Naughty, naughty, naughty. It's not going to stop on a bus stop, is it? It's going to stop on a bus stop. That's what I thought as well. Wow. No, you're not seeing things. That is in fact a taxi reversing down a one-way system. You are not seeing things. No, what are you doing? Come through, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Don't just stop on the narrowest part of the road. People just got no sense up there, I swear to God. Of all the places you could stop, why pick that place? Why pick that spot specifically? I don't get it, man. I don't get it. What are you doing? Oh, you're really gonna give way to people? Shut up, phone. Does this guy not know how to use roundabouts? That is special, man. 3 cheers for the phone interrupting my rant. Whoa, no, you can go back now, taxi. Go the f back. You're a dickhead. Wow. Bristol taxis, they're a special breed, aren't they? Oh, hello. Is that a goblin? Oh, he's picking up cigarette butts off the gutter. You just can't make this up, can you? If I told this story to someone, they'd say, nah, you're taking a piss, you're making up, Benji. She's picking up fag butts from the gutter. Oh my God, there's just people everywhere, man. There's just peeps all over the place. Oh, what on earth are you doing, man? I would love to know what's going through after these people's f***ing heads, man, because it's not normal to do that, is it? In the middle of a busy road like that, you just don't randomly do a 3-point turn. Wow. There's some mental ones about tonight. Look at them all. Fucking cyclist prick. Is that a sensible place to park for a driving instructor? I don't think it is. I don't think it is. Oh, dickhead! Why did he do that?
Did you run over?
He is in a big cloud of feathers behind me. Rest in peace, little seagull, pigeon, whatever it is.
Pigeon!
Oh no!
You ran over a bird! You nasty, nasty person!
Would you rather me swerve into that car?
No, but still! Did you actually run over?
Yeah, well, I didn't hit it. It went underneath and just got churned up. I didn't run over it with wheels.
Well, that's not too bad then.
He died though.
Do you reckon he died?
He died instantly.
Oh, poor bird.
entirely sure how to drive, so what he's done is blocked the entrance to that road. Or she's blocked the entrance to that road. Is what she's done.
Papa, coming on in a minute. Papa. Papa.
Hello, hello. Let's move our car, shall we?
I'm just gonna stop in the middle of the road.
Why do people just stop in the middle of the road? What are you supposed to do? Wait for them or go round them? What would you do?
I would go round them.
Exactly.
I'll wait for a couple of seconds.
We waited at least 30 seconds, didn't we? So
I think it was about a minute.
That's very
waited.
there's a crossing just there. You've walked across the crossing. Why didn't you just use it to start with, man? I don't understand. At least he realised his mistake in fucking reverse a bellend. What a twat. If there ever was an example in existence of a BMW driver, that would be it. That would be it right there.
You can say, baby.
Good luck getting past that car in your wheelchair. BMW drivers are fucking idiots. They wait all that time for the light to change and then it goes before it changes. Wow, what a freak, man, what a freak. That's how you cut a corner, boys and girls. That is how you do it. Yeah. You go to school tomorrow?
Yeah, I don't know. What do you go to school?
Yeah, you go to school tomorrow, yeah?
Yeah.
You're welcome as well, you rude woman.
I'm not going to school.
Oh, she was rude, that one, wasn't she?
Was that lady?
Yeah, nasty, nasty, nasty.
Was that car?
Oh, there's a place to park.
He's always there, or she's always there. Like, technically he's allowed to park there. It's not like on the double yellows no more.
Yeah.
But it's just a stupid place to park. If that blockage is caused by that fucking Agelia. Oh no, we got a van there this time. There he is, just there. What's wrong with these dickheads today, Alex, eh?
I have no idea.
Alexei.
I know,
please.
I know.
Say something about that. That is shocking.
It is shocking.
That is...
I'm speechless.
I am speech. I've got no words. That is just... That is pathetic, isn't it?
Pretty much, yeah.
Alexei, clap. Shake special.
Special!
And now say dickhead.
Dickhead. It's got a bike lane.
Yeah. Look, they got a cycle lane, but he's on the path. How backwards can you get? Oh, it is a cyclist, so they're not the most intelligent of people, are they? They're like on a special different spectrum than everyone else. They are. Followed by, it's not a policeman. It's just parked on the path. I was going to say undercover copper, but it's not quite, is it? It's not Maisie Moo. It's not undercover copper. It's just parked on the path. Yeah. Followed by Maisie Moo. Followed by true incompetence. Double yellow lines with vertical lines parked on the wrong side of the road, facing the wrong way. Yes, Maisie Mill. Yes, Maisie Mill.
Oh.
Special. Can you say special? No, you can't. You just stopped in the middle. Don't just stop in the middle and stop in the middle and stop and What a lovely person. She thanked me even though there was no need to thank me. Does that make sense or not? I know some new drivers might not understand that, but I didn't like inconvenience her in any way, so there's no need to thank me, but she's thanked me. What a lovely person. Aww.